Excuse me, sir. I want to meet DMM.
Why?
Theft has increased a lot in our society. That's why I want to meet her.
What will DM madam do in this case? You go to the nearest police station and lodge the complaint.
Sir, we went to file a complaint, but whenever we go, they tell us they will catch the thief, and after that they forget. In last 10 days, 5 times theft happened in our society. That's why I want to meet her. If she will take action, she will force them, then only they will work.
Okay, but she won't be able to meet you today. She is busy.
Okay, so then.
You come tomorrow.
Okay. Excuse me, sir.
Yes, tell me.
I want to meet DM ma'am.
Why?
Yesterday I told you, na, in our society, lot of theft is happening.
Okay. Madam, DM madam will not be able to meet you even today.
But why, sir?
Her schedule is a bit busy, so she won't be able to meet you.
So, then when can I meet her?
You come tomorrow.
Tomorrow I can meet her, na, sir, because I come from so much distance.
Yes, you'll be able to meet her tomorrow because her schedule is not busy tomorrow.
Okay, sir, I'll come tomorrow.
Okay.
Namaste, sir.
Hello?
Today DM ma'am is free, na, sir?
No.
But yesterday you told me she will be free tomorrow.
Suddenly an important meeting comes up, so she is busy into it.
So, till how long this meeting will continue?
I can't say anything.
If I can wait here, then I will be able to meet her, na?
Look, madam, I'll not be able to tell you about this, but the hope is very low.
Means today also I can't meet.
There is one way.
What, sir?
Do you have anything for me?
Means?
Means you have anything for me?
You're talking about money?
Yes, speak slowly. You will meet dear madam in 10 minutes.
So, how much money it will cost?
Whatever you want, whatever you wish.
But still,
10, 12.
sir, I don't have that much cash with me.
How much do you have?
Maybe 6, 7?
Okay. Put it inside and give it to me. Okay, let me meet you to dear madam. Excuse me, ma'am. She wants to meet you.
Come inside. You also.
Me, madam?
Yes, sit.
Okay, ma'am.
Since how long you're coming here to meet me? Ma'am, since 2 days. So why you didn't meet me? Sir told me you are busy. So he didn't ask you to wait? No, ma'am. He told me to come tomorrow. Today he didn't say come tomorrow. No. Why? Because today he took money from me. To meet me? Yes.
No, madam. There's nothing like this. This girl is lying. Why are you trapping me in a false case? Why did I take any money from you?
You just took few minutes back.
Madam, there is nothing like that. This girl is lying. It will not be good for you.
It won't be good for you now.
Ma'am, please believe me. I have not taken any money from this girl. She is lying.
More than my sister, I will trust you now.
Sister?
Yes, sister. She is my younger sister. I was doing a sting operation on you to catch you red-handed. Since few days I was getting lot of complaints that you take money from people to meet me.
Ma'am, please forgive me. I have made a huge mistake. Ma'am, this will never happen again. Ma'am, please, ma'am.
By saying sorry and please in English, your mistake can't be corrected. People come here with the trust that I'll meet them and will solve their problems. And by taking money, you already break their trust. And because of you, people think I am dishonest. Hey, you have only one work. Those people who are coming to meet me, but you are dishonest in that as well. You should be ashamed. Because of people like you, people don't trust on government. You are terminated from your job.
No, ma'am. please forgive, ma'am. Please give me a chance. This will never happen again, ma'am. And please do not terminate me. I will do my work with full honesty from now on, ma'am. Please, ma'am.
How can I trust you?
Ma'am, I swear on my mom that I will do my complete work with honesty.
Wow, you are having sake. You are having false sake.
No, ma'am.
From now you will work honestly.
Yes, ma'am. Please.
If I'll get any complaint then?
Ma'am, if is there any complaint, then you will no need to say anything. I leave this job by myself.
Fine. Remember this thing. Now go.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much for helping me. Today we made a dishonest and honest person.